channel. Heart. It's the heart-hearting. It's the heart-hearting. Okay, today we have another wig install. Wig install. Today's video is sponsored by none other than Premier Lace Wig. Period. Look at the shimmer shine of the box. That's for one, okay? So they sent me this cute wig. She's cute. She's a okay. Alright, not too much, not too much. Yes, this is so cute. Yes, ma'am. It's big, it's curly. Look, the curl, but I haven't even put it on yet. All I did was wet it for real. And it's already giving the girls water wave magical magician. Like, that's what I'm saying. And look, and then the girl, the edges came crooked. Like, I plucked it, but like, look, it's giving the girls what it needs to give the girls. Shake, hold on, you see the shake? You see the bounce? Shake, bounce, shake, bounce, bounce, shake, bounce, shake. Not too much, not too much. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Inside this magical mystical box. Take your time to open, take your time, take your time. They gave me an elastic band. They gave me some clippy clips in here too. If y'all can't, hold on. It's focusing on my face when really, thank you. They gave me some lashes. Girl, you gonna focus on the lashes? It's so worried about me. Premier Lace Wig, yeah. Is this gonna? Yeah. Okay. They gave me a comb and a pamphlet. All right, that's enough of me talking. I know, Anya, can you just put the wig on? Can you just put the wig on? Yes, let me do me first. Can I talk to y'all? How was y'all day today? How are you? Did you eat? That's good to hear. That's good to hear. I'm doing good too. I'm glad we can have this moment together. Okay, I'm finna do my hair. Okay, bye. Bye, I love you. Bye.
Got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funkin', I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. And something about how your ex was a toy.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, when you swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realized I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
But you giving me
Okay, not too much on the washing machine that's in the back. Not too much. I gotta wash my clothes. I need to wash my drawers. Where are your drawers? Thank you, thank you. But yeah, so I'm done. This hair is from Premier. This hair is from Premier Lace Wigs, right? And it's nice. Yeah, she's cute. Yeah, she's cute. Yeah, she does her thing. Yeah. I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. Yeah, that's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said. Yeah, but all of the information for this hair will be linked in the description box below. So you know, if you like what you see, go purchase C from my linky. Thank you. All right, so that's about wraps today's video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to do my hair again. It is what it is. Bye, I love you.